All right. Easy. Steady hands. Steady. That's the key. Steady hands. All right. Anything for a beard. Anything for a beard. Ah! Ah! Damn it, this is supposed to hurt this much. Anything for a beard. Anything for a beard. Hey, what's going on, my bearded brethren? My brethren to the beard. It is I, the bearded jester, coming at you live with a possible beard hack. Are you suffering from baby beard syndrome? Are you walking around with a patchy beard? Are you tired of people calling you Patch Adams McGee? Well, we have the product for you that will fix that. Allegedly. Now, I'm going to be saying allegedly a lot in this video. There's a lot of things I'm going to explain. Some are backed up by science and some are backed up by people's experiences and reviews. Two totally different worlds. This product I have before me today is called the derma roller. But if you really want to sound manly, call it the beard roller. Looking good, bro. Looking good. What stood out to me the most about this product on what it does, on what it allegedly does. So we'll start off by talking about some of the science behind this product. The method I'm going to be showing you today on how this product works is called micro needling. This is hundreds of tiny needles in here, as you can see. So taking these teeny needles and rolling it on the skin over the areas that are patchy, your body would naturally see this as damaging to the skin. What? Am I going to look like New York Swiss cheese? Am I going to look like that guy from Hellraiser? No, don't you worry. Because once your body responds to the process of healing, the skin naturally produces what we call collagen. Collagen is a structural protein that makes up 1/4 of the protein in our bodies. So being that said, collagen helps with our skin being more elastic as well as supple. Helps maintain that young look and makes your skin strong. Anybody that grows a beard, one of the most important things on the beard is the skin beneath your beard. So stronger, healthier skin might result in a stronger, healthier beard. Not only does this derma roller, beard roller, help with collagen production within your skin, it also helps produce keratin, which is a protein that our hair is actually made of. So that's the science part. You would think with that perfect storm that you'll grow a healthy, thick, patchless beard. I started using this a couple of days ago, so I'm gonna be the official guinea pig. Ugh, I hate guinea pigs. I'm not a big rodent fan. Because with the science that kind of back this product up, it makes me interested in trying it about the patchiness on my beard and see if it helps make it thicker. So how does this derma roller actually work? I read the direction on this beard roller here, and it said to move this in different directions. 10 times this way, 10 times that way, or you could do it diagonal. In either direction, 10 times, 2 to 3 times a week. After you're done rolling this on your face, I would recommend that you put oil on your beard or on that area that you did the derma roller on. It's called the beard roller if you want to be a man. I would recommend a beard oil that's 100% organic or has a lot of great carrier oils. What I recommend using is Honest Amish Premium Beard Oil. There's the regular Honest Amish and there's the Premium Honest Amish. Premium Honest Amish has a lot of awesome carrier oils in it. And what that does, when you roll this, you're gonna have little micro needles within your skin that you can't see. Don't worry, you're not gonna look like this guy. It is going to be a little red, I noticed, and your skin will actually absorb all that great carrier oils that you put on your beard or on the patches on your beard. I'm going to be the official guinea pig of this product. I'm going to be using this on here, as you can see, no hair. And I'm a little patchy on this side. This is the left side of my face. I'm currently patchy. I'm going to roll this on here 2 to 3 times a week and see what happens. Obviously, this is going to take some time to actually see some results. To me, is this a cure for the patchiness? Is this the cure to get a thick beard? Like I said, some of it is backed up by science. It actually makes sense, but I'm a true believer of genetics. This possibly allegedly, could be the cure for the patchiness of the beard, to make your beard thicker in certain areas. Like I said, and you look on the internet, you'll have some success stories, and you'll have people that say this is nothing but a gimmick. Like I said, this is relatively affordable, so I actually purchased it, so if it doesn't work, then I just throw it out. But if it does work, this will be an awesome beard hack to use. Very important, when using this product, don't press too hard. Don't jam it in there. Lightly go over the patchy area, or the light area. But that's all I have for you, my bearded brethren. Is this a beard hack? Is this the cure-all? It might be, allegedly. I'm gonna do a follow-up video in several weeks from now and see if this actually fills up a little bit, if this patches improves. So I'm excited to show you guys that, and we'll see what happens. This is the Bearded Jester. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this product. Have you ever used this product? And do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm out of here.